What's the meaning of busway? Busway. Busway.
Busway. Busway. The term busway can refer to a few different things. One common meaning is a system of dedicated lanes for buses on a roadway or highway, designed to improve transit efficiency by providing a faster and more reliable travel option. Another meaning is a type of electrical distribution system used in buildings and industrial settings, which consists of an insulated busbar that conducts power to individual outlets or equipment. Overall, the term busway typically relates to some kind of specialized infrastructure for transportation or energy distribution.